I run NYC CNC, which is the biggest YouTube channel on CNC machining and manufacturing. I have an email from a friend, actually, I love it, in 2007, and he sort of said, Saunders, there's a new online video site, youtube.com. I had a digital camera, I was interested, and I thought, there's gotta be at least 10 or 20 other people who wanna buy these machines or use this software. So at first it was just publishing videos, and they're all still out there on kind of the trials and tribulations. In the last sort of 3 or 4 years, we've learned that to succeed on YouTube, you've got to give folks reliable content and a well-produced content. So every Wednesday we publish what's called the Wednesday Widget, where we go through kind of making a part. So it's very nerdy, fun stuff. Some of the videos we try to keep more entertaining as well, though. And every Friday we publish a video on Fusion 360 on how to do something or how to learn something. And then we love publishing videos on entrepreneurship, on factory tours, on things in the industry. Social media, in some respect, will continue to play a role in helping us provide people with the ability to learn, make, and inspire anybody who wants to be a maker, whether it's as a hobbyist, as a career, or as a business. So to me, to be able to make something and to be able to get excited about that and to be with a community of people, they don't live in my town, I don't see them every day, but to be part of this community of people that get excited about making stuff, that's fun.